If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the chaos of intraday trading, you could use Intellectia's Daytrading Stock Radar. Let's start with the key stats at the top of your dashboard. These are your quick performance snapshots. Here's what you need to know. Win rate. The percentage of closed trades that made money. Simple, right? Annualized return. A normalized look at how the strategy performs. Risk reward, like 1 to 7.18. Meaning for every $1 you risk, the system expects approximately $7.18 upside. Now, let's talk about the signal cards, your intraday compass. Each card gives you everything you need. The signal time, when the opportunity was spotted. The buy target, the price zone to enter. The stop loss, risk boundary if the trade goes wrong. A small chart with green and red markers for buy and sell zones. And a live or realized P&L snapshot. It's like having a full trading plan pre-built for you. Here's how to use it in real time. Step 1. Head to the Today tab. Want to catch early moves? Sort by latest. Chasing big winners? Sort by highest return. Step 2. Pick a signal card. Check the buy target and stop loss. Step 3. Enter the trade near the buy target. And remember, always set your stop loss. Step 4. When to exit? Simple. If profit hits 3% and then pulls back 1%, sell. If the price drops 3%, cut the loss. If neither of the above happens, sell them before market close. So if you're looking to trade faster, smarter, and with more clarity, try Daytrading Stock Radar today.